We left this morning about 5:30 to come over to Lake Ninan to look for the drone. There's your drone in there.
Somewhere out there. Last time I was here, I started on the other side of the hill and walked out across the lake that way. This time we're going to walk from this side of the hill out across the lake and hopefully we'll find it.
What do you think those are?
These are Indian prints. You can tell by, if it was a kangaroo, it would have been a tail mark where it hops. Where this is, you can actually see two-legged creature, which would be only an emu.
I can see some recent footprints here, hon. I'm hoping that someone hasn't walked out there and collected your drone.
They've walked out and they've walked back. I'm glad we've got these willy boots that we bought for going in the snow. We're doing the opposite now, we're in the water. The video footage portrays it being a lot further away, but I think it was actually closer than we realised.
That thing there, what is that?
That's just a rock.
Every now and then we see a dark patch in the water. We walk over it and it's only a stick or leaves. He walked all the way to the shore with Chrissy so she can get out and have a little run. And now we're walking back to the car. And the car is right over here on the other side of the lake. I really thought that we would have found it walking across the lake. We would have seen it.
There's no chance of finding it.
We left this morning about 5:30 to come over to Lake Ninan to look for the drone. Steve and I have both walked over the lake a couple of times on either side. We can't find the drone. It's only about probably 5 centimetres deep.